Good morning everyone and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly. I hope you had a lovely holiday last week and enjoyed the beautiful sunny weather. Well, today, Friday the 5th of June, and we're going to find out how many children have been awarded EML certificates this week. I know you've been all really busy, you've all got back onto your online learning and you've sent your work into your teachers. And it's been a really special week this week because some children have actually been back into school, so they've been busy working in school. And next week, maybe a few more of you will come to school. Let's have a look then and see who's been sending in that amazing work this week. And remember, you earn an EML certificate for sending an amazing piece of work into your teacher. Some children have also earned EML certificates this week because they've had a really sensible start to school. They've come back and it is lovely to see some of you back in school. Let's see if you can count how many certificates we have today. We're starting nursery with Alan Turing class. Well done to these children, Dario, Mason and Elias. Moving on to Bob Marley class. A big well done to Liam and Ashwin. In reception this week, starting with Rumi class, lots of children in Rumi class have been sending in amazing work. Isra, Baha, Davi, Saban, Raviana, and we've also had amazing work from Caden, Kasia, Laura, Didat and Alessia Maria. That's well done to Kirat and Ellen. Now moving on to Malala class. Let's see who's been doing great work there. Nisa, Mudassir, Matei, Reva, Eamon and Clayton. Well done to all of you. And here we have John Lennon class. And from John Lennon class, we've got certificates for Mesa, Sanvi, Rahama and Emma. Now to Year 1 and Clay class. So a big well done this week to George, Tiana, Aditi, Abigail, Aroma and Gloria. And from Matisse class, well done to Annabella, Nicole Maria, Suleiman, Misbah. Great work, well done. And from Picasso class this week, well done to Sarin, Reese and me. And now for Year 2. Let's start with Beckham class. Brilliant work this week from Amy, Fiona and Sarah. Well done to you 3. And from Ennis class, quite a few children in Ennis class have been busy this week. Amy, Afsa, Waleed and Aiton. I think we've got a few more. Also, big well done to Abdurrahman, Nahara, Samina and Khalid. And the final Year 2 class, Holmes class. Well done Ruel, Ishan, Ansh, Uzair. And that's it for this week. So there were an amazing 55 EML certificates this week, so keep up the great work. Let's try and make our target 60 for next week. So I'll see you next Friday. Have a great weekend everyone. Bye.